Hello everyone, Howie Darkstar here. I'm going to do an unboxing of Pioneer DJ USA's newest headphone line out there. It's the HDJ CUE1. And it's an unboxing because I already have it out of the box, and here they are. No need for the knife and the swish, 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 and unpacking of all that crazy stuff. Here's the headphones. They're headphones. And they're pretty nice, too. They come in, I believe, 5 different colors plus black, so 6 colors. Okay, and you can do like I did. Black is my jam, so I got them in black. But you can have, as an accessory pack, you can get the different colors, and what they come in is it's the earmuff parts and the band and so forth like that come in various different colors, which is great for, let's say, you want to match your outfit or a certain holiday, whether it's red for Christmas or Valentine's Day, and green for St. Patrick's Day. Well, you get the idea. Anyway, to the headphones. How did I get these things anyway? Well, I was tuning in to Pioneer DJ USA's Happy Hour, hosted by my good friend Jay Brannan, and he happened to have another good friend on there, Pulse, aka Christian. And part of the deal was, hey, we're having a giveaway. All you have to do is share the Happy Hour show on your page, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, whatever, share, and then say something in the comments. So I said something funny. It's, a little, you know me, you know how I roll. So anyway, on to the headphones. These things are cool. These are very, very comfortable. They're great. They're 5.0, Bluetooth 5.0, which is really handy. They fold up nice for a pack, in your go bag. And great for the phone or the airplane rather. Boom, on like that. You have your phone in your pocket, no cords or whatever. But you know what I use it for too? Late night TV. My TV's 5.0, and these are 5.0. So it's not like I'm watching, a foreign film or something with the lag and so forth. They're really good like that. But let's get on to the headphones. What does it come with? It comes with a cord, of course. So, when I'm not doing the Bluetooth thing for pleasure, I like the fact that these do 2 different things. These are great DJ headphones and a great backup as well. So, what do? You plug it in. But it's not the normal plug-in because it's got a little cam lock. You turn to the right and it won't pull out. Now, I do have a friend named Jimmy Spin who likes things that pull apart. He says, oh, I walk away and he wants it to pull out. I'm not buying it. I've seen more damage with that stuff than anything. Besides, when you put these things on, part of the deal at the very, very, very end is you have the coily like telephone right near the controller. So that should give you enough warning that, hey, you're walking too far from the booth, you're liable to damage it. The other thing that I think was really clever of Pioneer DJ USA to do was this right angle 3.5 millimeter plug to put into your controller. It's as close to flush as you're going to get. And I have done many repairs for people that have the straight in headphones and they just brush by them in a hurry and snap them off. This is clever, very clever. The other nice feature on these headphones is that they will flip out. So if you're one of those that want to keep it on the side like that, just lean over, cue up your next song, and then back to it instead of taking headphones on or off, on or off. It's great. So anyway, tune in. I believe it's maybe every other week. Pioneer DJ USA Happy Hour, hosted by my good friend Jay Brannan, and you never know who he's going to have on there. Now, if you want to get a set of these, because, hey, it is the gift giving season. Okay, you can find them just about anywhere. It's Pioneer DJ USA on all their social media, their website, anywhere like that. Or, and Jay will probably be coming for this, just give Jay a call. He'll set you. No, don't call Jay. You might contact him on social media, but he might like that. But anyway, that's it for me. The CUE1s from Pioneer DJ USA. I'm digging them, and I thank you very much for the lovely, lovely gift. Take care, everyone. Enjoy.